I feel like it's gonna hurt, but when they put it on me, it just felt like a pinch.
From the Valley to San Antonio. To California and Michigan.
I just felt a little pain.
Are you excited to be vaccinated?
Yes.
Kids across the country getting vaccinated against COVID today. Shots going into arms less than 24 hours after the CDC director gave the final green light for Pfizer's vaccine for kids. Here at home, DHR Health playing a role in getting kids 5 to 11 their first shots.
And we've learned since 5 p.m., 400 kids vaccinated today. Their second dose will come in 21 days. So Channel 5's Monica de Anda following all this today. She is covering that from DHR Health. She joins us now from outside the Edinburgh Conference Center with more on the turnout. Monica?
Oscar, Dina, parents have been lining up here with their child since 8 o'clock this morning, and it's been pretty steady. There's been times when there's been a longer line and times where there's been a shorter line, but they kind of adapted this system here. I want to show you right where this tent is. This is the line for parents to come and get the paperwork to fill out for their child. And then if we just move on over, you can see the line now. It's spanning a pretty good distance here, about to work its way around the building. And all of these parents are excited and waiting to get their child vaccinated. DHR staff expects more parents will bring their kids in the next few days, especially on Friday, and that's because kids can rest over the weekend. But the parents we spoke to today, like the ones you see out here, didn't want to wait any longer.
This is for your first dose.
One by one, kids 5 to 11 years old waited by their parents' side. Among them, the Mendez sisters.
Really happy because I can see more friends. I'm still gonna be safe. I'm still gonna wear a mask either way.
Their mother feeling hopeful about the months ahead.
Porque es el mejor regalo de Navidad que les puedo dar para que puedan convivir con la familia y toda la gente que no hemos visto.
And just after 9 a.m., 6-year-old Layla became the first child between 5 and 11 to get Pfizer's COVID vaccine in the Valley. No tears as she held on tight to her teddy bear.
Are you happy that you got the vaccine today? Yes. And did it hurt?
A little bit.
A little bit.
I think it shows that the youth is ready to be vaccinated, that they're, willing to do their part as well as, all of us doing our part to get the vaccine.
Later on, we met the Blasquez family.
That's it, it's over.
I feel like it's gonna hurt, but when they put it on me, it just felt like a pinch.
David Blasquez has been homeschooling his 3 kids, ages 10, 8, and 7, since the pandemic started.
What's hard for them, and I've noticed in the 2 years, is they're not with their friends, they're not in the school setting, and that's hurting them.
Over the past week, roughly 1/3 of daily cases reported in Hidalgo County are in children in the 0 to 11 age group. Local doctors are optimistic that this vaccine will help lower that number.
If we vaccinate this age group, hopefully we can prevent them from getting sick, from getting people sick at home, from, missing school days.
Kids eager to get back to how things were before COVID.
Trying to go back to normal, but we still want to be safe. I know some people doesn't want their kids to get the shots, but they have to. It's the only way that this quarantine will get out of the way from this world.
And if you'd still like to get your child vaccinated, you can go ahead and do that today until 8 p.m. And from now on, DHR Health will be administering the vaccines here at their conference center Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Monica, a lot more parents will soon be getting their kids vaccinated, and we understand that the CDC has an important reminder for all parents about giving their child a pain reliever before getting the vaccine.
Dina, that's right. The CDC recommends that parents don't give their child any sort of pain reliever before coming on out here and giving them the shot. Instead, they suggest that they speak with their doctor and ask them about what non-aspirin pain reliever they can recommend for their child to take if needed after they get the vaccine. We're live in Edinburgh. Monica de Anda, Channel 5 News at 6.